I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel
those days, whenever a man was dressed up as a woman on TV, it was just a big joke.
everyone was standing idly by, trying not to watch or intervene as tears were streaming down her face, down her face. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. She held in her hand a ribbon of silk, so lightly that it would be caught in a breeze. She whispered words not meant to be heard. She started to shiver, though she didn't freeze. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go.
홍준이? 나도 알아. 친해, 좋대. 예? 저기서 먹여주고 재워주고 기술까지 가르쳐줬더니 그게 나일 수도 있었을 거야.
문이 닫힙니다. 오늘将不胜感激，祝您在本店购物愉快，谢谢。
네 번째 사기꾼을 소환하고 소환한 패널을 스스로 말고요. 또 다른 사람을 속이는 또 다시는 없애야겠습니다. 하기 이어지고 있습니다. 그런데 인해줬던 분들
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perspective?